Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 19th, 2020. It's a binary puzzle, but what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. So let's get started. Alright, we have a double 1 here no, there no. A double O here 1, there 1. A double 1 here no, there no. A double 1 here no, there no. We have 4 O's in the first row, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have again 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have 4 O's now, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. 4 O's here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. And double O here 1, there 1. Then double O here 1, there 1. Double 1 here no, there. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here no, there no. Double O here 1, there 1. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1. Oh, we have 4 1s here, so the rest are O's. Then double O here 1, there 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finished in 2 minutes. Wow, this is a quick binary puzzle in 2 minutes. Alright. Great binary puzzle. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Sudoku in this newspaper. In the additional, it will be a tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you later. Thank you and bye bye for now.